Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Plant Growth and Development. In that we are studying what are SDP, LDP and DNP plants. The full form of SDP is short day plants. The full form of LDP is long day plants and the full form of DNP is day neutral plant. Today we'll be studying what is the difference between all these three type of plants. SDP. The full form of SDP is short day plants. When I say short day plants, an example could be strawberries. When a strawberry is grown in winter, so short in winters the days are very short, whereas nights are big. There is no sun in winter, right? So that is why there are long days. So SDP plants are nothing but they flower when the daylight is shorter than the critical photo period. These are SDP plants. An example is strawberry that grows in winter, and during winter the nights are really long and the day is short, so less amount of sunlight, and then these short day plants grow. The next kind of plants are nothing but LDP plants. When is the season when days are long and nights are short? Exactly, summer. During summer you have long days with lot of sunlight and the nights are short, and during this period the plants that flower when the day length is much bigger or exactly near critical photo period are nothing but long day plants. An example of long day plants would be wheat. Wheat is grown in the season of summer, everybody knows that, and wheat requires sunlight to grow. So these are long day plants. Now there are certain plants like coffee or rose plants. These are grown throughout the season, throughout the year. These plants are called as DNP or nothing, they are called as day neutral plant, and they produce flower regardless of the photo period. They are not dependent on sun. If the photo period is less or if the photo period is more, these plants produce flower. They blossom throughout the year irrespective of the photo period. SDP or short day plants. They flower when the day length is shorter than the critical photo period. When I say critical photo period, it means the exact amount of sunlight or approximate amount of sunlight that a plant needs. And during winters, you all know that the night are long and day is short. So the plant needs some minimum amount or exact amount of sunlight for its growth. Not beyond the critical photo period, the plant will grow. These are mostly winter plants. Example of this is strawberry or soya bean. The next type is long day plants or LDP. They flower when the day length exceeds the critical daylight or photo period. It means long day plants will flower when they need or when they receive excessive amount of sunlight which is easily available during summers. So they are summer plants or plants which needs a lot amount of sunlight. An example of this is wheat or beetroot that is mostly available in summer. And the last category, day neutral plants or DNP. They produce flower regardless of photoperiod. They are not dependent on the amount of sunlight. They are okay to exceed the critical photoperiod or minimum photoperiod. They blossom throughout the year. Means these plants produce flower as well as fruits throughout the year. An example is rose, and you get rose throughout the year irrespective of seasons. Students, in this part of the chapter, we have studied about three different types of plants depending upon the amount of photoperiod they need and they require to blossoms, which grow in three different seasons. I hope you all are clear about the concept. Thank you.